of mistakes. I managed to snap the legs off with the Y adjustment lever. I didn't really think about the knob being reverse threaded, so whenever I was just wrenching it down tighter and tighter, I had assumed there was a problem in the threads, and once I got past it, everything would be fine. Unfortunately, that's not what happened. But I did get in contact with somebody that likes to do weird little welding projects, and you'll see the results of that a bit later on in the video. Don't worry, I definitely learned from my mistake, after breaking a second one.
It's made of mahogany. Mahogany. Anyway.
I've taken about a month-long hiatus on the restoration project for the No. 6 plane that I got. After breaking the first Y adjustment lever, I got with one of my friends to organize with somebody he knew that likes to do kind of weird welding projects. In the interim, I broke a second adjustment lever, and out of frustration, I purchased a third just to have something that I know would work. When I got these back, they're pretty good considering that they're made of cast iron and just this tiny. I might try and file these a little bit just to get a nicer finish, but we'll see. I got this third one and was attaching it all to the frog whenever I realized that the condition that I got this in was just totally busted. I didn't really recognize that this was a recess for the lateral adjustment lever and just figured that the version or the type that I had was prior to that technology as far as planes went. That's whenever I realized that if I wanted to make the No. 6 a workhorse and actually utilize it, I would need that adjustment, that lateral adjustment. So I got a hold of a Type 15, I think. I'm really excited to put this thing to use. All right, I got a number 4 and a number 6. I'm good. I don't need any more. It's fine. It's fine.